GBPUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about pound against dollar. So before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. Below the video you'll find some links. So it says join Telegram free, so go and join this free Telegram channel if you want some free signals every now and then join the brokers and sign up with these brokers and trade with my signals in a separate account. So check out these things, subscribe, like. Coming back to the chart here, starting the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly we are making red candles, so probably this week will end red. So we are still in the massive uptrend, but we might be taking a pullback. So let's come back to Delhi. What do we have in Delhi? This is the uptrend pullback. Okay, so maybe the pullback is over, or maybe we will touch the EMI. So we'll have to keep an eye. Okay, so we might touch the EMI, reject the EMI, then we go up, or else we might just go up right away. So we have to go back to 4 hour for entry signal. In the 4 hour we are down. We are below the EMI, so looks like to me it's a trend reversal. Looks like to me, because this low is not broken by this candle. It's quite clearly visible here to my eye. Put the line here. You see this red candle did not break the previous low. This can act as a double bottom as well, or simply the new trend. So we need to go up. Okay. So when shall we enter long and when shall we enter short? So if this high is broken, or rather I would, what I will do is I will wait for this high to be broken as a swing trader, okay? Because when this high will be broken, then we will be above the EMA officially as well in the 4 hour, okay? So yes, we are looking for longs in GBPUSD after this high is broken. So let the blue candles break above this high or close above this EMA, then pull back and then you go up, okay? So we do have slight, I think, a possibility to go down. So this hammer yesterday, we had a rejection on 8th of July. Then we went up, then we came down. So let's go back to Delhi again here. If you see, I still think that we will continue going down for maybe few hours, okay? For maybe next 8 hours, we might carry on going down. And then touch the EMA, reject the EMA, and then push back up. So coming back to 4 hour again, just to clarify, we are not entering long until this high is broken. Okay, so if I would be you, I'll wait for this high to be broken, or at least this high to be broken before thinking about longs, because we can go for we do have potential to go short, as I said. Because we can still go and take a pullback and touch this EMA. So again, we have to keep an eye on 4 hour. 4 hour, I'm telling you, this can act as a double bottom as well, because this low is not broken. Okay, this low is not broken, and we are going up. So probably this is the uptrend, but wait for this high to break and more confirmation. If this high breaks, pull back and then you go up. So if you like what you see, subscribe, like, share the video, join Telegram, join brokers. I'll see you in next video. Next video. Till then, take care.